number one. And little Liz Mary, she realized her grandma was an old lady, kind of like Sister Huffman. And she said, my old grandma is hungry, so I need to get her some food. You know, Sister Huffman's old enough to be my mom. Did y'all realize that?
I am not!
I know, I'm changing the story. But so she decided that she was gonna go. And so she put on her little red shirt and her little cornhusker red pants. And she put on that hat. And she said, I'm going to give my grandma some food. She's hungry.
That's not
With some young people who get burdened to give some food to their grandmas.
That's Red Riding Hood!
Oh, I'm going there, I tell you.
Okay.
So she's going down the road. And she sees this big, scary wolf right there. Brother Tony. Yes, Brother Tony. I rebuked that wolf out of this man. And Brother Tony was scaring her, and he said, I'm going to eat your little goodies that you made for your old grandma, Sister Huffman. Yes, that's right. Receive it. And so she said, no, old man, old grown-up, old good-for-nothing wolf, get away. And so the wolf, you see, Brother Tony, he's a conniving. Oh, I said he's conniving. And so he goes and he eats, and he eats the whole grandma up. And I'm telling the story my way. And I'm making it up because I don't even know if I know the whole story. What? Parable?